Financial needs and requirements vary from person to person. While choosing your investment product, do not be a copycat. Select an investment product that is best suited to your personal financial needs and requirements. SBI has a plan called SBI Life Smart Bachat Plan. In this detailed analysis, let us find out whether this policy will suit your investment plan or not. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. SBI Life a Smart Bachat Plan. It is an individual non-linked participating life insurance savings product. Let us find out what is the important features, advantages and disadvantages, IRR of this policy in this video. Let us also compare this plan with other investment products. First, features of SBI Life Smart Bachat Plan. This product comes with two plan options. Option A, endowment option. Option B, endowment option with inbuilt accident, death and total permanent disability benefit. Convenience of choosing the premium paying term, either 6 or 7 or 10 or 15 years. Life cover throughout the policy term, that is even after the end of the premium paying term, the life cover continues. Depending on your financial goals, you can choose your policy term ranging from 12 to 25 years. Premium waiver is available under option B. Plan options of SBI Life Smart Bachat Plan. The SBI Life Smart Bachat product offers two options to choose from depending on your financial requirement. The option once chosen cannot be changed. Option A, endowment option. This option offers the benefit of wealth creation through simple revisionary bonus and life cover throughout the policy term. You will get basic sum assured along with vested simple revisionary bonus and terminal bonus if any on maturity. Option B, endowment option with inbuilt accident, death and total and permanent disability benefit. In addition to the benefit as explained under option A, this option provides you with the benefit in case of accidental death or accidental total permanent disability of life assured during the policy term. Benefits under SBI Life Smart Bachat Plan. Maturity benefit for both options. On survival till the end of the policy term, basic sum assured plus vested simple revisionary bonus plus terminal bonus if any is paid to the policyholder. Death benefit for both options. On death of the life assured during the policy term, the nominee is entitled to get a higher of sum assured on death plus vested simple revisionary bonus plus terminal bonus if any, or 105% of the total premiums received up to the date of death. Here sum assured on death will be higher of basic sum assured or 10 times the annualized premium. Accidental death and total and permanent disability benefit. This is applicable only for option B. In case of accidental death of the life assured during the policy term, an additional amount equivalent to the basic sum assured would be payable in lump sum. Plus, death benefit as explained under death benefit for both options is also payable. All future premiums would be waived off and the base policy continues till surrender or maturity, whichever is earlier. Here the ADTPD benefit will be lower of basic sum assured or rupees 50 lakhs subject to the condition that the total sum assured under this benefit on all your individual policies with SBI Life put together should not exceed rupees 50 lakhs. Now let us weigh the advantages and disadvantages of a SBI Life Smart Bachat Plan. Advantages: loan will be available after the policy acquires surrender value and will be limited to a maximum of 90% of surrender value. Discounts on high sum assured are available. Accidental death or accidental total permanent disability is an inbuilt feature in plan option B. There is a wide range of premium paying term and policy options available to choose from. Disadvantages of SBI Life Smart Bachat Plan. Plan option once chosen cannot be changed. Since it is a participating policy, the benefit may vary depending on the bonus rate declared each year. The lock-in period is 2 years for loan or surrendering. In order to understand the policy better, let us work out the cash flow and find out the internal rate of return for an illustration taken from the portal. This helps you to estimate the profitability in terms of investments. Let us assume that a 35-year-old male opts for SBI Life Smart Bachat Plan. The sum assured is rupees 15 lakhs, the premium paying term is 15 years and the policy term is 20 years. The annual premium is rupees 86,190. He chooses plan option A, that is endowment. The assumed rate of returns at 4% and at 8% per annum, they are only illustrative scenarios and are assumed constant during the bonus accrual period, whereas the actual bonus could vary. These are not guaranteed and they are not higher or lower limits of return. The IRR under 4% scenario is 2.72%, which is lower than a bank savings account interest rate. The IRR under 8% scenario is 6.09%, which is lower than a bank FD rate of interest. For a long-term investment, this return won't help to combat inflation. So at the end of the policy term, the maturity benefit will not suffice to meet your financial goals. Let us do an analogy between SBI Life Smart Bachat Plan and other investment products to see which is better in terms of return, liquidity, and other aspects. For this comparison, let us assume an annual cash flow of Rs 86,190, that is similar to the above illustration. This amount could be invested for your financial goal and also for life cover. For life cover, pure term insurance is opted. For investment, investors with high risk appetite can choose ELSS mutual fund, and those who are risk averse can choose PPF. The premium for a sum assured of Rs 15 lakhs would cost 12,390 with a limited premium paying term of 10 years and the policy term is 20 years. In the previous illustration, the premium paying term is 15 years, but here for pure term insurance, the premium paying term is 10 years. So in the first 10 years, the amount left after paying the premium is invested in PPF or ELSS, and in the next 5 years, the whole amount is utilized for PPF or ELSS investment. The ELSS maturity proceeds are subject to capital gains tax. We have taken the post-tax maturity value. The tax calculation is given here. The PPF investment with pure term insurance yields an IRR of 6.21%, and the ELSS investment and pure term insurance yields an IRR of 10.45%. ELSS IRR is an inflation beating return. Also, you have a liquidity advantage. On inferring the IRR calculation, it is evident that investing separately for life goals would be beneficial. You can choose an investment product based on your time horizon and risk appetite. Our final verdict on SBI Life Smart Bachat Plan. It is a traditional participating life insurance plan. It is designed to provide life cover as well as savings and investment opportunities to the policyholder. The SBI Life Smart Bachat Plan offers a premium waiver benefit under option B in case of policyholder's total and permanent disability. In such case, future premiums are waived, but the policy cover continues. It is a long-term investment product, but the returns are not convincing to invest. Also, there is no liquidity in this product. On the whole, it will not help you to fulfill your financial needs and requirements in the long run. Alternatively, you can buy pure term insurance for life cover, where you get high coverage at a reasonable premium. You can invest in a diversified investment portfolio for corpus accumulation without clubbing it with insurance product. You can consult a certified financial planner who can help you in assessing your current financial position and draft a custom-made financial plan. A detailed blog post on this topic is available in our website, and the link is given in the description box. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.